Welcome back to the second session of our second chapter, Computer Languages. Let's have a quick recap of what we learned in yesterday's class. We learned about what is computer language, classification of computer language, machine language, assembly language, and high-level language and fourth generation language. So this was a quick recap. In today's class, we are going to learn about translators and few high-level languages. Let's start with translators. What do you understand by the word translator? In simple English, it means to convert. So what is a translator? Translators are used to convert high-level language program into machine language. In the previous class, we learned about high-level language and machine language. So what is a high-level language? It is a programming language which is very easy for the user to understand. But as we know, a computer understands only machine language. So these high-level languages has to be converted into machine-level language. So for these, we require various translators. The translators can be assembler, compiler, or interpreter. Let's see these translators one by one. First is your assembler. The program written in assembly language is converted into machine language with the help of the assembler. Second is your compiler. It converts high-level programs into machine language. It converts the whole program at the same time and reports all the errors of the program along with the line numbers. So what does it do? It is going to read your entire program and give you the number of errors along with their line numbers. Next is your interpreter. This converts the high-level programs into machine language and executes the conversion line by line. The execution cannot resume unless the error is rectified. So what it does, it is going to give you the error on each and every line. So unless and until you rectify the error on one line, it is not going to proceed further. Now let's discuss about some high-level languages. First is BASIC. It stands for Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. This language was developed in the year 1964. This is the basic language that everybody learns. With the help of this language, we can easily understand other language. The advanced version of BASIC is QBasic. Next is your C language. It is one of the most popular language. It is a programming language used for designing system software. This was developed in the year 1972. The advanced version of C is your C++. It is an object-oriented language which was developed in the year 1983 by AT&T Bell Telephone Laboratories. Next is your Java. It is an advanced programming language that has been derived by C and C++. These days, Java is commonly used in our mobile phones. It is used for designing various programs and our mobile games also. So these are the few common high-level languages. Do you remember what is a high-level language? They are easy for the user to understand. Now let's talk about our assignment. You have to make a list of all types of translator available in the market with their function used for the language. All this assignment you have to do in your sheet. That's all for today's class. Thank you.